vlog. Today, meron tayong special event na pupuntahan and I'm here at Benefit Choynova for the Blooming Workshop. Yes, this is a new product line from Benefit, a concealer, and I'm very excited to try it on. So, yeah, sama kayo sa akin.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
Hi, good afternoon. Hi, Angel. And you are?
Model.
Yes, model.
Model.
Okay, then we start na. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng skincare for moisturizing. And then, we also have toner. Here's the triple performing facial emulsion for ano to, oily skin. For days. Mas maganda siya for days. Then after nyan, we have the eye cream. Here, it's potent eye cream for ano siya, dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. Neutral siya, SPF 45. Kasi sa neutral na sunblock, yung SPF 45 na yung pinakamataas. SPF 15. 25 ba yun? Nahilo na. Yung SPF 15, yan yung powder.
Ano po yung guys?
This one kasi, it's a powdered finish. Ito naman, brightening finish. Dewy effect. Then this one is 2,100. And then 1,800. Tapos ito madami siya syempre.
the group number 5. And then, isa-set natin siya ng Ready Set Brow. It's waterproof. And then, para ma-highlight yung brow mo, we can use high brow. Kung sa brows, nahin natin yung natural lang or yung talagang glowing na glowing. This is the They're Real Dew Eyeshadow. And then, is Smoken. Ito yung pinaka-bestseller shade na. It comes with applicator na. Isang glide mo lang, e-eyeshadow ka na. No need to, use brush. Isang ganito lang. Actually, pwede mo siyang gamitin yung dark sa taas, and then yung dark pwedeng sa baba. So, ang ginamit ko kasi yung dark ko, nasa taas. Mas gusto nyo ba yung ganyan? Try muna natin ito. Isang glide lang na ganyan. Unahin mo tayo. Glide lang. So, nahihirapan ka talaga mag-eyeshadow or dahil i-blend mo pa, talaga marunong ka na talaga. Kasi uso nga yung parang orange. Orange lang talaga siya. Lalagyan mo na lang sa eyeliner. No? This is waterproof. One click lang. Sa last light, ito maganda yung eyes mo. Almond. Pag may an eyebrow brand na may na sample. Tapos pag benefits na brow product, free brow wax. Nila yung yung one. Yung ganito. Ito yung ganito. Para talaga siya.
Finished product. Ganda, oh. Ito na ang model. Visit kayo dito sa Benefit Trinoma. Hanapin niyo si Rachel. Ayan sila, mabait sila dito. Ayan si Miss Lorby. Ayan.
Visit us on Benefit Trinoma!
So, I'm going to pick this one, guys. Yan. So, meron na siyang Hula, Benefit, Roller Lash, and the Professional. So, if you want to buy this one, it is 1,900 pesos. So, marami sila ditong set na. So, we have the Date Night with Mr. Right, Pink I Love You, I Think I Love You, rather. Then, Sunday, My Prince Will Come. Yan, so, different products from Benefit pa rin. Pero, mga mini sila. Yan, mga mini sizes.
Naging model ako. For one.
Ang ganda. Yan. So, mga minis. Yan, grab one guys. Super ganda. Yan, yung high beam and also this California Benefit Blush On. Ang ganda, promise. Gamit niya ngayon. Oh, blush on, contour,
Highlight.
yeah, lahat. Ganda. So, magpa-wax ka na, girl.
Nabalik ako dito. Para lang sa wax.
Lahat naman, sagot ko. Pero sabi niya, sobrang ang dami ko na lang po kaibigan. Kasi akala nila, kasi purpose natin yung primer. Kasi may gawin yung primer. Kasi may that deeper ties.
Yan, guys. Mga bestseller ng Benefit.
Picture tayo na.
Ay, yes.
Thank you, Benefit. Thank you. Salamat po.
Your friends again, tomorrow.
Yan.
Friends ba yan?